One of the most challenging aspects of shopping for a new home is visualization. How do I know if this floor plan will fit my needs? And what about my furniture? Where will it go? Well, we all know that a picture paints 1,000 words. And in fact, 91% of home buyers said that interactive floor plans had an influence on their decision to buy. So by using interactive floor plans on your site, you can increase audience engagement and boost how much your audience absorbs and remembers. And since 2007, the use of visualized information on the internet has increased a whopping 9,900%, which makes interactive floor plans a perfect choice. There are a variety of reasons to use interactive floor plans, like increasing dwell time and higher conversion rates than static floor plans. But they're also just a great way to give your shopper a clear picture of everything the home has to offer in a fun, interactive, and engaging way. And with today's technology, interactive floor plans can be created much more efficiently than just a few years ago. The key is ensuring that you are partnering with a company that knows what they are doing when it comes to interactive elements. Interactive floor plans require technical expertise to maintain, so you need to ensure your partner has the resources available for ongoing support. And unless they are designed correctly, interactive floor plans can bog down your site with slow load times and may not work on all browsers. Plus, SEO can be affected if keywords are not embedded correctly or picked up by Google. Fortunately, BDX has been in the interactive floor plan business for nearly 20 years. We're here for the long term, and we have the in-house expertise to get it done right the first time. For more information on our interactive floor plans, contact BDX.